requesting because we are doing this employment, in regard to our outsourcing also. They want, because now we are doing on lucky draw, I think something after you, we want to make it so transparent. Yeah, transparent. But what they want to request is because the local, they have given lands and everything for this particular facility. Now they want some priority for them. As a leader being elected by them, they are requesting me again and again on these particular lines that they can do lucky draw, but they are missing this opportunity of the people coming from the local applicants. Any local applicants, they want some priority basis, 25% at least they want.
They are having more than 60%, 70%.
No, now we are doing that. We are
But otherwise, at present, I have looked at all the data. More than 80%.
Even now also, what I would request Madam inside in the meeting also, that the priority should be given to the local people.
We always for the local.
So because and now now it's more transparent. Madam is very clear. There was so many gossips, so much of unused rumors around saying that these are these things, and every day they come to me as if there is everyday employment generating here.
Local mandal maximum.
We are also requesting same 25% of the only within the government because 200 acres of the land lost by them. This what is the compensation also they are not taken. That is in Bhutan issue. The amount is deposited in bank from 2005. No payment came to them. That time 30,000 collected. We are our request from our sir, 25% total same you can proceed, but 25% only for
even before you go into this draw, you make sure that more number of people coming into the draw also comes from this vicinity, so that obviously they will get more.
that is
We are asking only the outsourcing employment only. Please help.
Other than that, she can't do anything. Other employment will go.
In other employment, we are not recommending anybody.
You can't. I can't.